Good morning, it's Wednesday. We're all ready. I've got, nobody cares what I'm wearing, but I'm going to show you anyway. I'm going to wedge you on there. I've got my baby girl t-shirt, some skinny jeans and slippers. But obviously we'll put some kind of trainers or Vans on. I'm so tired. I need to stop going to bed today. I keep going to bed at like 1 in the morning, which I know is stupid. I've just put mascara on today, but I think I probably should have put some concealer on because I've got fucking bags under my eyes. Christ on a bike. What am I laying on? What is that? Oh, it's the picture that Aria drew me. She's so cute. Today is a jobs day. I've just sent my best friend a list. I need to go and pick up a prescription, book my smear test, order Aria an inhaler, buy a chain for my door, buy a lock for my door, post an order, make some cookies, and then decide what else is going in the box, and then launch this week's box tonight so that I can post it tomorrow, which I'm so shit. The car is absolutely frozen over, so I need to go and put the car on in a minute to defrost because I haven't got any de-icer or a scraper, so I just need to leave it to run. I think Ben is coming to see the kids tonight. I'm not sure. I haven't heard from him in 2 days. So I don't know what he's doing. Oh my god, my window is so condensation-y and disgusting. Oh, I need to get rid of this house. I just want to live somewhere else. I don't want to live here anymore. If anyone wants to like buy me a house, let me know. That's obviously a joke. Just before anyone poops their pants. I'm gonna go and get the car on, and then I will possibly take you with us when me and Sausage Boy go and do our jobs. I hope it's not too, I know it's cold outside, but I hope it's not too cold. My hair looks really dark today, doesn't it? I've got like 2 and a bit, 2 weeks. I think it's like a week Monday. So this Monday coming, not the one that's just happened. So 2 weeks this Monday, I'm getting my hair, getting all the highlights. All this is just going to be packed full of highlights, full head. Obviously apart from these front bits, these are staying pink. Or I might go lilac, I'm not sure yet. I'll talk to you in a bit. What did Mummy do?
Get my medicine from the wrong pharmacy.
Mummy went to the wrong pharmacy, didn't I? Yeah. Silly Mummy. I'm just going to try and wedge you in there while I put him in his chair. Look at that boy. Who's so cute?
No.
We've been doing our jobs, haven't we? What did we buy from the shop? You want me to get it? Sausage got a new juice. Wow, it's blue. And what else? We got a chain for the door. We got some packet.
Daddy can't get through.
Yeah, and you can't escape because you open the door, don't you? Usually does. So we're doing our jobs. But yeah, just came to pick up his itchy medicine, and I've gone to the wrong fucking pharmacy. So I parked, got him out the car, got to the door, and realised it was the wrong one. So we're back in the car. And it's literally like a 2-minute drive that way. It's just too cold for him to walk.
Mama, I don't see a kitty cat.
You just saw a kitty cat. I'm so tired. I'm so tired today. I really need to go and do some stuff. But we're being productive. I don't know what the time is. Let me look. The time is 10:05. We are on it, Foxy. We're doing loads of stuff. So we're going to go get this medicine, and then I'll talk to you when we get home.